Hi everybody. So I am here to let you guys know that I have made some videos and I uploaded them on YouTube in the kitchen with Cindy. So I would like for you to go there, take a look at the YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I also would like to let you know, guys, you can leave comments, questions, concerns. If you think I should do something a little different, I mean, you can come on and join in with me. Leave some comments. Let me know how I'm doing. It's always good to know that you're doing something right. Or, you know, if you have some suggestions and stuff, hey, I'm open. I'm that person. I can handle it, and I welcome it, okay? So, yeah, put comments down. Let me know what's going on, and you know, we can chat and chew. It's so much stuff we can do with this channel. I try to make enough time. Sometimes I can't, you know, because my health situation right now. But you know, I do get some good days. You know, I do get good days and stuff, and it makes me feel good when you watch. So I like to hear from you as well. So feel free to make comments on the Facebook page and the YouTube page. You know, I need the views from my YouTube page because, as I stated before, what's happening now is that YouTube has changed the policies now. They want you to have a certain amount of subscribers so you can live stream, because before I was live streaming with no problem whatsoever. However, now they changed it, so it wouldn't hurt to have more subscribers on there. And also the comments help me out too. I don't do it for money. I told you guys that before, but I would like to get some of this jazzy music that I can get for free, you know. Like before you come on and play this nice music, and just something to lighten up the channel, you know. This makes me happy, making you happy, so help me out a little bit here, guys, okay? In the comments and stuff, you know, let me know how I'm doing or how I'm not doing, whatever the case may be. Leave me something, okay? It'll make me feel good as well, you know, because I try to do more videos, you know, but as I can stand it, I'll do it, you know. If you have any requests, just let me know, okay? So go to the YouTube page, okay? So what I'm going to do now to try to get you guys to get on that page more, I think that I'm going to start uploading on there first, okay? Because I need to get a certain amount. You don't have to, so don't get me wrong, you don't have to. I would like for you to, though. And I'm going to still do a lot with the Facebook page, too. But I need to try to get my subscribers up on the YouTube. And the comments mean a lot, so when the YouTube creators see the comments, you know, sometimes they'll let you, you know, pass through. So I like to pass through either way, you know what I'm saying? So that'd be really good. But I encourage you to comment on both channels, okay? So I want to say thank you too, because I really appreciate you. It's so therapeutic for me to do this, you know. It is so therapeutic, and it also is something that I love. You know, it does more for me than you know. So I want to say thank you. And I try to do my best, you know. I'm not a chef, though. I'm not a chef. I am a cook. And there's a lot that I still have to learn, so you can help me too, okay? All right, so I just want to say thank you, and I love you all for watching. Enjoy my silliness. You know I love to be silly. That's who Cindy is. Cindy is fun. Cindy is silly. And Cindy is very loving and caring. Okay, so you guys know that about me. You know, for those that do know me, you know me. Okay, so, and Cindy thanks you so, so much. Okay? All right, good night. Just wanted to say a few things to you. P.S. Leave a comment, leave a word, leave a little something. Thank you. Bye.